ingane sincisha into ebalekile mfethu yabo lento but there is a second chance mfethu yabo njengoba sibangaka manje in the near future guys may start abafazi whether we like it or not.
Yeah, it's true. I think mina lento yakhatha because I think mina iye into engenza ukuthi ngingabi kwi relationship because I'm like ngizoba kwi relationship ngiphinde ngikhohlele ingane yami wabona
yayizwa leyo nto le angikwazi ukuthi ngiphante ngibe nomuzi yayizwa leyo nto ngibe nempilo mhlawumbe ethile emzini wami yayizwa leyo nto emva kwalapho bese kuzobenefit ingane yakho Chris ngingayizalanga ngoba ngifuna ukulala noma wayo asikhuluma iqiniso.
Then let's talk about the behavior of a stepfather. Like I meet a girl right now siyajola unengosi ngibehavior kanjani toward ingane yakhe.
It's not for me ukuthi ngikutshela ukuthi ubehavior kanjani enganeni yakho okokuqala ujola naye noma ujola nengane yakhe
but ingane comes as a part
of isikhathi ukwazi ukushiya yakhe ingane noma wayo
abosisi bethu laba abangenazo laba banezingane njengamanje enhleki ngoba bebhekele episode njengamanje thina sinazo izingane sokusho ukuthi abafana kumele bengasi approach yini if abafana bengekho willing kuba ngama step fathers but thina abafana thina singosisi banezingane sifike sifune uwini ukuthanda ingane zabo.
Okay, but mndama futhi nakule ngizoba honest futhi leyo nto hypocritical bro yabo iforces bamnyaxolisa ukisho lento ngane zakwethu hypocritical leyo nto because the very same system.
Fixhaven connects you with trusted plumbers, electricians, cleaners, and more right when you need them. Simply download the app, find reliable professionals near you, and get the job done right at the first time. And if you are a skilled professional looking for work, download Fixhaven Pro on the app stores, use the code CHRIS26 for a discount, and start getting jobs today. Go to the description and find their link there or on our first comment.
Welcome to the Dobby Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kada. You see, I do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. Shout out to Fixhaven for sponsoring the episode. We highly appreciate it. If you are looking for a job, you are a handyman, just go to our description and download the app Fixhaven and start to get jobs. Yeah, put the promo code Chris26, then that's where you're gonna get jobs. And also our service for cleaning. If you are looking for a company that is gonna clean your house, your office, yeah, we here. Just contact us. James will show the banner here on the screen. So yeah, we are also offering the cleaning services. So yeah, James, are we on Grace?
Yeah, Chris, we on Grace.
You want to be Chris namhlanje?
I guess it's James, are we on Grace? Chris, we on Grace, baba. Fundisa Chris.
Siyabonga. Mnumzane. Ukandu lobole so this one. Last weekend. Last weekend. Last weekend got the lobole.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
So it's
congratulations, boys.
Nami ngijabule awuthami yapha.
Yakuguzela.
Hey, mara nami ngijabule.
And sikuyo vele ije okwenza la uma.
Hey, yokwenza lezo zinto uthole ipartner egrand. Yabo nje nami nje ngisabheka kubi. Kodwa nje ngithi nje ngiyabheka.
If we vice versa. Ngabe siyangizile iceleni kutya.
Athukuzile.
Manje every episode. Shutani wena James unobona nini?
Angazi but ngizoshada mfowami
Soon.
Shada ngizoshada.
James obvious.
Ayibuza dog.
Obvious.
Yeah, my brother, inangisa my mouse uthi. Yazi since izinto wobheka ukuthi indlela okhuluma ngayo boyina kwezinye izinto masuthi obvious thina kithi ngoba kubhede uswami ukuthi kwamanye abantu obvious yabo
ayihlabu ngakumisa
my
ngesizulu
brother hey kubi
ngesizulu ayihlabu ngakumisa
hey bajets asiyekeni ngiyaqolisa ungena kule ndawo ubuye
but kona all in all I conversation e grand for abantu abalingana nathi
yeah ama-gens
it's high time
I think ama-gens adinga ama-partner vele ukuthi at our age I think siyabadinga abantu singalokhu sisleep around lana nabantu aba-different you dinga that person owazi ukuthi umuntu wami lo uthandane naye then build.
Yeah, I think, and more importantly, like to build strong family structures.
Yeah.
You know,
In the black community.
yeah, we need that.
I always say ukuthi I regret ukuthi umama wengane yami angekho naye manje. Yeah, uyangithola akusiyiflex ngiya regret because ngincishe something ingane yami. So every time mangibheka ngisho ukuthi yeah ingilimazile because bekumele akhule abone umama wakhe nobaba wakhe now and then. So sometimes mangimbuka ngisho ukuthi I have to try to make it up. I don't know how but yeah izinto ezingihethayo lezo. So right now I don't wanna if ngenza movie ukuthatha umuntu engizothanda naye now I have to make sure ukuthi even noma ethola ingane sizohlala sizoba umndeni yabo yeah
and then okwakha nje ingane ikhulela kwisimo webha ingane i-turn out ibe i-adult elinengqondo healthy yazi ukuba nengqondo healthy in today's time kuyi-privilege kuba nengqondo healthy sibali you understand ujwayele ukubona uma wakho ethanda ubaba wakho vice versa awukazi babone bethukana phambi kwakho beshayana phambi kwakho you understand le nto le instead of ukutshela into ebheke eceleni ubukhulu utshela ukuthi uhlakaniphile uyathandwa uspecial leyo nto le ikhandi confidence you understand le nto njengamanje sifacane ne-nation yabantu Brahma abangenayo i-confidence I understand and kumele adicilele phansi wena one-confidence ukuze approve ukuthi yena une-confidence yayibona leyo nto le yeah that's why sifacane nesizwe esinomona esine-jealous esine-gossip esine-envy kanje yabo
family structures yabo nami bra ngifuna ukisho le nto koma bengane zami nje mfethu like angikho happy ngokuthi ngazalisa amantombazane ngadlula yabo le nto le ingane sincisha yeah
into ebalekile mfethu yabo le nto le but there is a second chance mfethu yabo njengoba siba ngaka manje in the near future guys may start abafazi whether we like it or not.
Yeah, it's true. I think mina in the entire culture because I think mina iye into engenza ukuthi ngingabi kwi relationship because I'm like engizoba kwi relationship ngiphinde ngikhohlele ingane yami wabona so okwamanje ngilapho ukuthi yazi mangithola umuntu esifazane manje and ngimenze futhi abe pregnant it's going to confuse me worse and angifuni lentwana ukuthi ifeel ngathi hey itime la mali ngincane.
Hey kodwa before ushawa uBrown mele ube sure ukuthi uyamncanya uJerry. Manje sitshelana ivar phela umuntu akamithi kufaka ikondom machita. Yabo le nto le like umuntu ozomithi mina ngizoyisho ngingasabi lento mina amantombazane enginengane nawo ngamithisa ngenhloso. Straight up. It's just that azangasebenza ama relationships. I understand. Nganginenhloso yokukwenza yabo nganginalo nothando lwabo yabo le nto. Ayekho mangane yami ngathi mhlawumbe ingane yavela ngingenalo uthando lwamama wakhona yabo leyo nto le and ayikho ingane yami ngiyithanda more than enye ingane yabo izingane zami zonke ngiyayithanda yabo leyo nto le yonke imizamo enginayo empilweni ukuthi ekugcineni ngenza ukuthi baphile comfortable even though ngahlukana noma wabo angihlukananga nabo yabo leyo nto le angiyena ubaba perfect you understand but I'm a work in progress yabo leyo nto angisoze ngilahle ingane engiyizalayo ileyo nto engiyaziyo nomuntu engiyomthatha abe unkosikazi wami mele understand ukuthi kwankomonde kwami ayikho ingane ezalwa yimi ekuthiwa ingane yangaphandle ingane yangaphandle kuba ingane yangaphandle ngoba umama esuke nayo isibongo sakuloyo muzi ingeyona yakhona you understand ingane yakho Chris okay nje ingane yami makuthuma wengane yami uyagana kuphi lapha gana khona uma wengane yami ingane yami yangaphandle ngoba leyo ngane yakwankomonda kusiya kuleso sibongo you understand
maybe we can touch even deeper to blended family ukuthi because I think tina ma-gens we are the cause.
Yes we are the cause ne but at the same time bro I think kumele silikhulume leqiniso thina abantu besilisa by nature singama hunters not wonke ama species aphila emhlabeni. Mina ngumuntu onokubuka othanda National Geographic nazo zonke lezo zinto yabo. Kulo lonke uhlobo lama species bro. Abantu besilisa or i-male gender yiye ehlala ihunter, ya understand. Abesifazane bro wami umsebenzi wabo ukuthi bekwazi ukuyiqoqa bayiqoqela umuntu oright ngesikhathi esiright. Yayizwa leyo nto le. Nina ifeminism lesiphila kuyo namhlanje iflippe iscript Chris. You understand? Ifuna ukwenza izinto ezinormal zibe abnormal and vice versa. Yayibona leyo nto le. Ngana kumsebenzi womuthi intombazane mayikhula uma wayo noma ugogwayo noma ubani wesifazane around yona. Ayitshela ukuthi lokhu nalokhu akwenziwa. Yabo? Ubabwayo omalumbayo mabe present bayitshela ukuthi lokhu nalokhu akwenziwa. You understand? Kudala endulo Chris singakazalwa thina. Kwakuyihlazo ukuthi umuntu wesifazane ulalile yekela ukumitha ukulala engaganile. Kwakuyihlazo leyo nto. You understand? Ngalento ye social engineering makulokhu kuzo feminism kanje kwashintsha kwangaba ihlazo ukuthi ulale umuntu. Mayezela umuntu kuthiwa ezale engaganiwe kwakuyihlazo kudala. Ayizwa leyo nto le. Abanye abantu babedingiswa nasendaweni ngalezo zinto. Kwakuyihlazo ngoba kwakwenziwani kwaku-encouragewa ama structures emizi. Wawungayikhethela umfazi oqala mawumfana wakulelo khaya. Wawukhethelwa abazali. Babezama ukukhanda ama family structures lawa esingenawo today. Ifeminism imosho okuningi bro. You understand? Iscript sanamhlanje sifuna ukuflipa as if thina amajida yithi sifosa unless if intombazane yadlwengulwa ngiyaxolisa kuyona. But umuntu ongadlwengulanga kwaba ichoice yakhe ukuthi anikele ngomzimba bafaneni wagcina emitha. Bra akusumsebenzi wami ukuthi ngizokhulisa ingane ngingazange ngiyizale mina.
Okay.
Yayizwa leyo nto le.
Like to be a stepfather.
Yes, akusumsebenzi wami mina bra. Yes, mina ngabazalisa ne abahluleka ukulalela abazali nokulandela imigomo yasemakubo. Bakhohliswa amangama ngaleso sikhathi bangivulela imlenze bamitha ne. Fine. Akusebenzanga ke. Ababona abantu ababi futhi angisho ukuthi abadeserve ukushadwa bengashadwa la bayakhona. You understand? But mina ngokwebelief yami eChris othi kutshela mina nginamanga nginababa nginamalume nginamkhulu nginagogo oyi-backup empilweni yami. Whatever nginayo whatever ngisazoba nayo izinto eziphuma ethukuthukweni zami. Yayizwa leyo nto le. Angikwazi ukuthi ngiphante ngibe nomuzi. Yayizwa leyo nto. Ngibe nempilo mhlawumbe ethile emzini wami. Yayizwa leyo nto. Emva kwalapho bese kuzobenefit ingane yakho Chris ngingayizalanga ngoba ngifuna ukulala noma wayo. Asikhuluma iqiniso.
Then let's talk about the behavior of a stepfather. Like I meet a girl right now, siyajola unengosi ngibehave kanjani toward ingane yakhe.
It's not for me ukuthi ngikutshela ukuthi ubehave kanjani enganeni yakhe. Okokuqala ujola naye noma ujola nengane yakhe.
But ingane comes as a part
of
of
isikhathi ukwazi ukushiya yakhe ingane noma wayo. What is it uma wayo? Kodwa uzoba available ube ubaba enganeni ekungeyona yakho. Ngifuna ukubhekisa la most yalabafethu ababizwa ngama real men labo malume kuthiwa abamatured omalume embumbulu labo. Most yabo ne ingane zabo abayizala biologically abekho empilweni zazo. Bawathola wonke ama reason nama excuses okungabibikho empilweni zengane abayizalayo. Bese beba nawo wonke ama excuses nama reasons ukuthi bethathe oma bengane zabantu. Bebe amadoda bebe obaba bamatured engane nabangayizali. Akwazi ukuthi eyakhe ingane ephuma kwelakhe isende ikhuliswa umunye umfana le kodwa wena ukhulisa ezabanye abafana la kwakho. Mina yes ngabazalisa ne angibadlwengulanga ngisho ngababuza nabo. Yayizwa leyo nto. Going forward ngoba izinto zami nabo zingasebenzanga. Manginomuzi okukwami la. Yayizwa leyo nto. Angikwazi mangishayisa emsebenzini ngemzini wami. Ngiyoba ubaba mbumbule enganeni ekungasingane yami emzini wami. And mangathiwa sikhuluma iqiniso ne siye kukushuka khothi izinto. Majority lama relationships Chris of step parent ku black household awasebenzi bra wami. Awabi fruitful. It's only 1 or 2 cases la asuke fruitful khona and nakhona isikhathi esiningi ubaba wakhona usuke emanid. Suke kunemali involved. You understand? Bra ayisebenzi lento yokuthanda ukadopta iwestern culture silethe la eAfrica. Lento ye step parenting first and foremost ya introducewa abantu bebala kuthina lento. Akusinte sasiyazi le ndulo thina. ngenxa ye social engineering ngenxa ye feminism nisifunza ukuthi sidle into engamele sidle bra I understand anginqabele umuntu ozela ukuthi ayogana la ngazaliswanga khona but mina ngikhuluma ekuthenini mina indoda engizalayo mfethu umvundeni wangitshela esaphila wathi lo mhlaba ucruel yayizwa leyo nto leyo ngingathembi umuntu and ngingavuma ukuvunyiswa ngaso sonke isikhathi angikwazi ukuthi before ngivuma into ngenze research ngayo before ngikhuluma into ngikhulume ngento engiyaziyo ubaba ongizalayo wangifundisa leyo nto mina ngiyingane yayizwa leyo nto
But what is your problem, bro? Like, I hear you, but what is your real problem with someone who can say no? As me, mhlambe as uChris ngithi I'm a stepfather to someone.
okay
And I met this lady. I love her so much, and unengane, and there's nothing I can do. And vele at the ingane ubaba wakhe akekho present. Then izodinga vele i-father figure. Kumele futhi ngibe i-father figure kule ngane. I think mhlambe angazi noma izozwakala right mangithi ngibe i-father figure kwingane yakhe ibone i-present yomuntu obaba ekhaya.
Awe ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi leyo ntombazana ozohlangana nayo wena inengane ubaba kuthiwa akekho present empilweni uyazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi leyo ntombazana kusengaba yikhozi ukuthi ubaba engabi present empilweni yengane yakhe and mayifika kuwena afika agqoka imask yokuzenza ngazathi umuntu omuhle yonke lento yamenzakalela kwakuyifault kababa wengane isikhathi esiningi vele kuba kanjalo angithi wena mawuqeda ukungena lapha ubone ngazathi you are the guy bro asifike ngevar ne imndeni esiphuma kuyona ezabantu abamnyama sikwazi ukucwasana emzini owodwa nizala umama oyedwa obaba behlukene niyakwazi ukutshelana ukuthi wena uzalwa ubaba you understand or mhlawumbe nizalo baba oyedwa umama bahlukene niyakwazi ukucwasana ukuthi wena usinani ingane kama yabo leyo nto le ingane kababa yangaphandle ingane kama yangaphandle niyakwazi kwi black society kwi black community iqiniso lelo yayizwa leyo nto le if imndeni esiphuma kuyona ikwazi ukucwasana ngaleso simo sisodwa inike nicabangele na i-mental well-being yalezi ingane enifunza izimo ezingayicelanga empilweni yazo ukuthi njengoba wena uyamkela as a stepfather uyawazi umndeni wakho ukuthi unama siblings are toxic kuwena alone or unomalume unoaunt unobani aba toxic kuwena alone uthatha lengane step child ekwaziwa kahle ukuthi akusiya kuloyo muzi uzobafunza yona kuma family gatherings uhamba nayo ngeke uyivalele ngaphandle ngithi uyifather figure malume omachoti ngithi uyifather figure real man uthatha lengane lekungasiye yakho uhamba nayo kunemicimbi kunemshado kunani la ekhaya and uma ifika la inkulumo yasho ukuthi cha lo akayena wala ekhaya wafika nomakoti uthanda ungathandi ihamba kanjalo inkulumo ingakho lezi ingane ezama step child kulemndeni yabantu abamnyama zithola ukurapheka zingakwazi nokuthi zidefendwe ngoba zinabani ozoyikhulumela ingakho zikwazi ukurapheka emotionally psychologically physically at times you understand in many ways ongazicabanga yayizwa leyo nto nina lento yob step parenting nikhela phezulu yayizwa leyo nto le ngithi kuwe mina majority abantu abazokutshela ukuthi step parenting siyasebenza mina ngiyingane yakhuliswa step father loyo baba wayenemali and loyo baba wayemitha idingo zalo imali involved eyomenza abukeke njengendoda and mayingaphela leyo mali uyokhunjuzwa ukuthi akayilutho sibonile lento yenzeka Chris mina ngiyibukile kuma older members akwi society ngiphuma kuyona kwi family banganini ehlobeni kuma colleagues ayizwa leyo nto on paper lento yob step parent isound angazathi nengqondo but in reality anikhulumi ngendlela lezi ingane edlwenguleka ngayo kulama relationships nizama ukugcina imizi nizama ukugcina imendo ebhedayo you understand iqiniso nalo mfethu yabo mina enganeni yami ne ungaba ubaba ngiyakutshela ungaba ubaba ugcina la uthanda khona but ingane yami baba wayimina period bro wami
mara ngifuna ukuhluka kancane kule nto
sure
uthi
I hope awulobola umntozela mhlawumbe ihlabe isikhonkosini manje
no uzele vele
Oh, okay.
nami ngiza naye
Okay, I see.
Imithwalo yami.
I see.
mara ayikuthi ayangithinta negative
No, siyakhablisana njengamasotsha mfethu, siyakhablisana.
zokhuluma
mfethu.
based on experience
Shosho nje yami.
mina iflop engiyibonayo ngizokhulumela amajida kakhulu iflop engiyibonayo ikithi emajideni amajida vele afuna ukuplease ngihlale noChris ngizwa ngisho ukuthi amajida no sifuna ukuplease insizwe you need to have this conversation be honest be honest mina before ngiyolobola sikhulumile ngaba it's a conversation we've been having mina before sizolobola manje we've been together for 10 years it's a conversation we've been having all these years ukuthi nandi plan do you know ukuthi masekenza sokuzoba so abantu abaziringi lezo zinto umuntu ufuna ukwenza lento efunwa yimade yakhe akafuna ukukhuluma iqiniso ukudala lela la indaba iso you understand so mina inkinga ngiyibona ukuthi yabona mayithi ufuna ukuhloka kancane yes singasho ukuthi majority yama household anjalo ubaba khona usuka nenyuko usuka nemali but mina I believe ukuthi mawuyindoda grounded konje lipi igama engifuna ulisebenzisa kobuthakathaka man engekho weak
Soba weak mfondini.
yeah mawuyindoda engekho weak mfethu abantwana bakho bazokhula abantwana bayala baphuma isibelethweni esiwani bayagura mina ngibona ukuthi basuke balwiswa ukuthi maybe ngenza parenting yakhona maybe isuke iweak mina ngikhulele la kuledla le some of the people engikhulele nabe I thought they were my relatives kanti umuntu bamdobhe backstage or bamdobhe
not just my cousins
Yeah, true.
abogogo bethu
Bebe nobuntu abantu bakudala.
Hey, abantu yes
True.
i-generation
True. Nasekhaya bakhona abantu engibaziyo engangitshetha ama blood members kanti no.
and ufuna kule point ukuthi thina abantu besilisa I think another thing ekumele siyibheke or maybe ngiyibona ngiwa sina abantu besilisa vele sidalwe ukuthi vele we are providers by nature
And protectors.
yabona indoda yamampela izofuna ukuprovide by nature
yeah
noma ngabe ubona ingcosi yakuphi kubhora umntana wecousin yakho in by nature you want to provide ngoba uyindoda you understand uyindoda so lento le ukuthi mina ngifuna nje manje awayekela ukuba soft man lento iyenzeka yesasifuna le ndlela enzeka ngase kumoshakele already
yeah
But ngicela ukukubamba la ntama ngicela ngiphile umzuzu nganza wethu yazi kune blanket approach thina amajita esithanda ukuyibhekisa emantombazaneni you understand kunale nkulumo yokuthi njengoba esho uGandu ukuthi vele sekumoshaka inale nkulumo yokuthi wonke amantombazane anezingane ongenayo ingane wayibulala yazi leyo nkulumo le yeah ukuthi hayi wonke amantombazana anazi ingane ongenayo uyazi ukuthi wayenzani ngicela ukuyikhuluma out loud lento yabo mfethu kuya ngokuthi uzingelaphi ya understand leyo nto le when itarget yakho yabafazi uyibhekapi mntaka mama mina ngizokutshela lento kunezingane eziningi from the ages of 23 maybe to 30 mangingasho ne ezingenabantwana yayizwa leyo nto le ezinye zazo zama virgin kuleyo age zinama qualifications ziyasebenza ezinye zazo zi well off you understand but azikwazi ukuthola umjida and the reason why zingakwazi ukuthola umjida isociety namhlanje igcwele ngolova abashela ngezinto umjida akezi straight njengoba ngonke mina prime ngiqonda unje ngibhampa noma ngipophe nginje yayibona leyo nto
mhlawumbe yikho singenantombi ngoba umuntu eyangegazi waphela nami ngiyangegazi
yabona leyo nto le so mama umuntu wesilisa owazi ukuthi wena ukuze uthole iattention yomuntu wesifazane kumele ukhiphe imali kumele ube uyiveze ukuthi unani intombazane nezinto ezingaphekwe ezakho uzoyichaza ngani ngoba phela siphila kwisociety whereby amantombazana namhlanje amaningi anemali okudlula thina abantu besilisa asebenza imisebenzi well paying than us abanye banama businesses are well run well established are successful dog I understand there's a lot of abantu besifazana abakwi millionaire bracket today than 20 years ago you understand so umuntu wesifazane futhi nakhona ongazange azathola ama handouts ukuze abe naleyo nto mhlambe ukhulele ekhaya whereby abazali bebe afford ukumise ekoleni ezithile waba ne career noma ne passion ayilandela yagcina imenza waba grand mhlawumbe ungizwa waba udoctor or anything loyo muntu maye ne material enemali okudlula wena umshela ngani ke mawo umjito wazi ukuthi umuntu wesifazana ushelwa ngemali cela ningiphendule lapho
akusindoda leyo mina
Yeah.
in my opinion
That's being weak.
weak swag
but majority but okay okay njoba siringa kanje niyabona ukuthi ukuba weak ne but in narrative ehamba kwi public yileyo mngani wami ya understand ukuthi umjito ngokuvela ya understand leyo nto le so nitshela i public manje niya surrender kulento niyavuma ukuthi mangithi umfana oshela ngama asset noma ngemali isigwadu
And the thing is now kule society ne there's a saying futhi ethi umfunani umuntu osifazana ungena next
yayizwa leyo nto le
like sinale mentality ukuthi kumele siqale siphande
yayibona leyo nto le
irithali
But is it wrong for
ufuna
a
indoda
guy to
engenamali
go ukuthi
usho leyo
no ukuthi wena
ayofuna
umfunani umuntu osifazana ungena
James.
ungenazinto
yazi ngicoko ukuphendula sokule ane vele imoshayele lento le ngendlela yokuthi vele mina leyo ngibona ngakhona that's why sinabo sistema baby mama amaningi leyo ngibona ezimjida mina sikhulisa ngale ndlela fundisa teach your boy child ukuthi afunde abe right abe well established as indoda ezumjida bisayothatha umfazi imfundiso imfundiso kumele ngabe
yazi mina ekhanda
ukuthi sibayibeka ngenye indlela yokuthi mawubrook kumele ngujolo like yabona sekuse but kumele sibheke ngaloo ndlela ukuthi abantwana bethu Jesu bese bakhulise kanjani yeah
uqeda isikole
Yeah.
kanje musukujola vele ufuna kule
Yeah.
process yokufunda nani just funda
kahle iyaphanda ube right phanda ube right ube umjida uzokwazi ukuthi wakhe ifamily yakho grand
besho kubabhedelayo bekasi abangenani
ngifuna ukuyasa ke ngilona yankasa
now we need to teach our kids very important
Can I say something? Can I say something regarding to lento eqeda ukusho kanti I believe mina ukuthi ingane isikhathi esiningi azikholelwa noma zithatha izinto ezisizwa sikhuluma zithatha izinto esizibona sizenza I understand I believe ukuthi sinezingane sonke la ne ezubaba njengoba ngikhuluma kanje ingane zigravitate kakhulu kwizenzo than inkulumo you understand asiben realistic la isociety esiphila kuyona majority engane ezikhulayo azinabo baba azikho blessed mhlawumbe njengezingane zakho ukuthi zinobaba present you understand zikhula azimazi nokuthi ubaba ubani umama wakhona mayibuza ukuthi ubani loyo baba uvuka umbhejazana bengazathuthukiwe you understand afuna ukuthi ingane yazi ukuthi yakuphi you understand so asikwazi ukuthi sifake iblanket approach kuleyo nto bra you understand ingane zithatha kakhulu ezikubonayo then kwezinto esizikhulumayo thina before sizotshela ingane zabafana la ukuthi azihambe ziyoba well off before ijola asiqale sibe present empilweni zengane zethu where ingane zabafana noma zamantombazana you understand kumele sibe present kuqala you understand senze izinto phambi kwazo you understand ezizofunda from zona yayizwa leyo nto le ukuthi kumele ube indoda provider indoda protect indoda enjani ingane zakho lokho kumele zikufunde ngokuthi zikubone wena ukwenza you understand hayi ukuthi sixoxa kanje yayibona leyo nto le mawukuthi unginotisile earlier on mangikhuluma la mesaqala i-podcast ngithe whatever imizamo mina engiyenza empilweni yami ne ukuthi egcineni izingane zami ziphile lempilo mina engangifisa ukuyiphiliswa abazali bami yabo and angiyena ubaba perfect you understand leyo ngiyayithatha you understand kodwa ngubaba ongasoza lahla izingane zakhe
okay
yayizwa leyo nto so mina ngikusho asingaba ama hypocrites sifakele intwana encane ipressure there's high level of unemployment kule country you understand ngachaza last time yila ukuthi abantu baqasha kanjani even nakuma retail even naku public private sector abantu baqasha ngalezi zinto engangizisho nepotism bribe ama sexual favors you understand baningi abafethu abafundile ndoda abanye banama PhD sibanjwe inkunzi abantu abanama PhD la estradini you understand leyo asingafakeli ingane abafethu ipressure ngoba mhlambe thina sinesinko yayibona leyo nto le kwesinye isikhathi khona into ekuthiwa sikhuluma from a point of privilege yabo leyo nto le mina before ngizoba ilento eniyibona manje ngeke ungichazele ngenhlupheko ukuthi yini James. Mina ngikhulele ezakheni yayizwa leyo nto eLady Smith. Inhlupheko ngiyazi from like I understand leyo nto le by God's grace ngakwazi ukuyi-escape. You understand? Nakhona ngihlezi ngisho futhi hayi ukuthi mhlambe ngokuyi-escape kwami ngabe sengiwele esayidini labantu abanemali cha. It's just that angilali ngingadlile yabo angeke nginuka amakhwapha ngoba ngihluleka ukuthenga i-roll on. I understand leyo nto le ngiyakwazi ukuyi-maintain yabo leyo nto le but asingakhulumi mhlambe njengoba sikulesimo sokwazi ukuyithengela
Okay.
asikhulume cabanga ukuthi kunabantu abalingana nathi abanye bafundile kunathi abanye baskillful kunathi bashawa yini ama-environments akubona number 1 abekho eGoli. You understand ukuba seGoli alone wase South Africa it's a privilege bro. You understand in case you don't know. Yabo leyo nto le abanawo la abekho exposed to ama opportunities onawo wena. Yabo leyo nto le so angifuni mina sifakele ingane zakwethu ipressure siloke sithi abantu abaqale bayoyisebenza kuqala. Emfethu umuzi ukhandwa abantu ababili abawilling ukuthi babambane until kuze kube sekugcineni. Awubanjwa ukuthi ubani unemali ubani akanamali. Imizi lesakhulela kuyona thina abazali babengenamali kodwa sakhulela emzini ehloniphekile dog. You understand? Asingasukuvumela imali ukuthi control indlela yethu yokuphila namhlanje. Asingasukuvumela imali ukuthi kube yiyona eveza ukuthi wena iworth yakhe injani. You understand leyo nto program? Yebafethu there was life before imali. Ngiyizwa leyo nto le asimusukufakela ingane zasemakithi njengoba ngitshela Chris kunabantu abafunde engathiwa noma kuthiwa uqashwa kuphi nabo bengakuphatha but ngendlela aba disadvantaged ngayo njengamanje. So angifuni masikhulume from ipoint labantu mhlawumbe abanjengami nawe yabo leyo nto le
uma unemali umuntu onemali sitshe too smart. I think
akukho njalo
sithana kanjalo kuyisociety
ukuthi waba nemali
smart lo even nomuntu osmart uma ekubona uyasaba ukutshengisa yazini
uyazibona emafamilini gathering ukuthi the one with money makarisa something bathatha yona wena ongena next
lakhe yazwakala
yona yazwakala
wena you are voiceless
and yazi ibamhlungu uphi ke James iqinisele 100% lelo show but ucheck ukuthi lo nemali the day yamatafula ephenduka ngoba imali seasonal phela mngani wami kade ngayiphatha mina imali ngiphunyuka ezandleni bro. You understand ngithi lo nemali kuleyo family ithishwa limvelele bese ubuka ukuthi uyotreatwa kanjani. Bamtreatisa kwamafinyila ngoba babengakazi bamthanda babethanda ama resources zabo.
Ufuna sivale okay kanti yazi nofuna sivale because manje siya kwi match kahle so but ngicela ukuthi uzofaka umbuzo wakho but ngicela ukuthi sivale ukuthi abantu abangama steps abosesibethu abanezingane njengamanje the way esikhuluma ngakhona mayebhekile uthi senze njani ke thina kusho singathathu uyangithola okay ungakangiphenduli then ngizoya kule indaba yasekhaya ukuthi utreatwa better ngonemali. I think even nawe umuntu onemali you have to know to respect and to control yourself. Yabo mina mfethu uma ngifika ekhaya mina okani bazokutshela mhlawumbe ikhadi lami angiliphatha nokuthi like okay
this is just the crave
no anginayo imali
this is just the crave
anginayo imali but ekhaya I'm one of those youth engathi kuthiwa
yathembisa
you know but anginayo imali but mina ngiyangibona ukuthi because ngeke ngaba kwi situation le ngingenamali then ngaba ne situation la esengikhona khona
kusekhona ukukhonyanyana.
So uma ngifika is like okay ngikumali umuntu ongasebenza ikhadi la it will do things ukuthi afile this thing ukuthi makuthiwa u in charge because very fanele so umuntu noma ongangazi ukuthi okay ikhadi la Chris mayifika ithi kufuneka into ukuthi nje nanga
maybe you are blessed with ukuba nomalume onengqondo. How about uthola ukuthi ekhaya kini nomalume ongakwazi ukuba nengqondo esebenzisana nawe financially uthi wenza leyo nto ahamba ayo misuse ama funds?
No, that's true. I think I'm blessed on that side. No,
but nakhona ngiya understand engelo phuma kuyona for ukuthi umalume ahlonipheke. You understand number 1 phela umalume lo ikubo la wena umshana la.
Ukuthi ngiba careful ukuthi ngoba nginemali izwe ukuthi abantu befamily bezike ukuthi
mayilapha
uma ngibelapha ukuthi izwe ngapha nje although mina uma kuthiwa Chris sezofuneka imali okay just pop up but izinto ehambe ngomthetho then mamele ke sponsorship lezo zinto lezo angitshela kuthiwa Chris keep imali ke kwenza ukuthi but izinto sizikhulumele njengomalume nogogo nekhawuthi sezohamba kanje angibe careful ekutheni ngisho ukuthi hayi izinto ekhambele zenziwa
yeah true and nanento enye engifuna ukuyithinda nje before sivale and namhlanje topic yakho imnandi yazi namhlanje sijilile asikhulumi ngendaba eserious like siringela bani masoshawa isikhathi ngoba kusamele ngicela ukusho lento before siya phambili ne guys Alex FM ngiyabonga kakhulu bangiphe abafowethu islot ku DJ Sifiso every Wednesday from 2 to 2:30 ngikhuluma nenje Alex FM you know?
Okay phinda futhi
Alexander FM 89.1 FM every Wednesday ngiba no DJ Fistos from 12 njalo from 2 to 2:30 ne 30 minutes ukuthi ngikhulume nentsha hopefully leyo nto it will grow to something yoba fruitful one day and another thing futhi ngiyabonga last time ngacela ama donations yakhumbula angakawatholi ke but yes ngikutholile ukuthi ngicontact abafethu abane interest kunama paperwork ekumele abe formal before kuba khona any kind of transactions you know izinto zami angikho money driven you know angikho money hungry like that yabo leyo nto leyo yonke into kumele yenzeke ngendlela eright yabo because ekugcineni ngifisa kusizakala abantu abaningi while kusizakala nami yabo leyo nto leyo uthe ufuna ukungibuza ngemachine match ufuna ukubuza
ngicela sivale ngokuthi before siya kwi-machine match I think the whole thing nje ukuthi kahle uke ubuyile izolo bewukhona khona mhlawumbe usitshele your feel and ucabanga ukuthi into right nokuthi yenziwe but ke before siya lapho bengicela ukuthi singene kutheni abosisi bethu laba abangenazi laba abanezingane njengamanje enhleki ngoba bebheke le episode njengamanje thina sinazi ingane sokuthi abafana kumele bengasi approach yini if abafana bengekho willing kuba ngama step fathers but thina abafana thina singosisi banezingane sifike sifune uwini ukuthanda ingane zabo
okay but mndama futhi nakule ngizoba honest futhi leyo nto hypocritical bro yabo iforces bamnyaxolisa ukisho lento ngane zakwethu hypocritical leyo nto because the very same sisters labo uthi bazoba consent ngaleyo nto yiba bakwazi ukutshela thina ukuthi abamfuni umfana ongasebenzi abamfuni umfana ohlala ekhaya kubo abamfuni umfana ongenamoto abamfuni umfana ongenani you understand abamfuni umfana ogqoka inani you understand leyo nto le kwi society whereby corruption ne unemployment problem rife you understand udoctor uyaba unemployed kule country a qualified doctor but masithola lezo zinto sibhekiswe ngakuthina amajita kumele si accept size sitshelwe nokuthi kumele sifundiswe ukuthi kumele siyokhanda imali before sijole sikhanda imali kuphi sivalelwe iminyango yokukhanda leyo mali asibeni factual bro so mabezoba consent ngokuthi sithi angithi nabo bayakwazi ukuyikhethela ama standards mina ngizokutshela ne akekho clever step father bro I'm sorry I know ukuthi umfethu utheni inkinga yami mina bro mangikhuluma ne I hope sena understand from every time mangibala kanti ayini ukuthi lento is not ukuthi ngiyitarget kuwena per se yabo leyo nto le ngikhuluma in general akekho clever step father bro ayikho into eclever ngawe ukuthi ukhulisele omunye umfana ingane engasiye yakho noma ungaba nama reasons angakanani ukuyibona icorrect yes so if bona bekwazi ukusitshela ukuthi abamfuna umfana onjani kwi corruption engaka ndoda ku unemployment engaka ndoda kumanje kunomjita mfethu wase Foslorus owakidnap amaPakistan egoloza ukuthi abadayisela istoro sakhe efuna ukugcina ishop yakhe eranela ibusiness owala eSouth Africa sibulawela ukuthi sirana into zethu kule economy nje labo sisi labo zothi wena bazobe beyibuza ukuthi bona bamaphi ngoba bezele yibo laba basicindezela through feminism kulezi inkulumo engikhuluma ngazo but thina yabo mina ngizokutshela lento ngiyayiphinda futhi akekho clever or step father
but not all of our sisters are
not all of our brothers aba unemployed abangekho capable ukuthi bengaba amadoda aqotho bekhulisa ingane eqotho Chris asimusa ukuthi ngoba naku sifuna ukuthandwa abafazi bese siba lenient kubafazi abafazi that's why kule society esiphila kuyona bengakwazi ukuthatha iaccountability Chris abafazi abazwani ukuthatha iaccountability because niyafuna ukubashield nalabo ekungamele bashieldwe khona ingane zabafana ziyayibulala ngenxa ama depression ngenxa yale peer pressure kumele igqoke into ethile ekhaya bayi afford into ethile you understand kumele ibonakale umuntu othile eskimini sayo you understand le nto ingane zayibulala bro zabafana trying to fit in dog indoda must this indoda must that even ema high school is the same thing ingane ezingakasebenzi ezingakakwazi nokuholelwa zithiwa kumele umfana ma studies indoda ma studies mayiqala ingane ezingena ko crimes isema high school bese niyayisola egcineni ngokuprotect udodo owenziwa abafazi whoever protector lento ne whoever protector lento protect udodi bra wami I understand ingane zabafana ziviolent kanje ziangry kanje zibulala kwasani kanje without ukuthi understand ukuthi umsuka yini it's because ni protector kakhulu abantu besifazane nikhohlwe ingane zabafana and ingane zabafana bafethu ziyalidinga uthando as much as abafazi nezingane zamantombazane zinika uthando.
Don't you think ukuthi lento mhlambe yama foreigner yabathinto sesibet because I think into eyiningi is introduce ke uma kufika abantu bangaphandle be-introduce the lifestyle to these girls giving them money then the hayi usho ukuthi laba bangamadoda impela uyangithola
no
I think iyo phela into esenza ukuthi thina ama
Afuna ukutshela something.
sibonakale ngathi we useless and we
afuna ukutshela something Chris abona igeneration yama 60s neyama 70s yabantu abamnyama bala eSouth Africa nginekwalembi nabo and makungathiwa khona onenkinga ngalento engizoyisho manje ngiyafisa ukuthi sibe ku national platform
debate
head on ngikhulume nabo mfethu igeneration yama 60s negeneration yama 70s kunje eSouth Africa it's because of bona yibona abadayisizwe labo bantu namhlanje mangathi buka straight ukuthi ama straight beneficiaries ale corruption nayo yonke le misconduct ekhona kwi-country ibapha abantu abazalwa ngama 60s nama 70s yibona ukuthi maqala kuba khona lolu shintsho laba khona ngo94 uyibona ba benefit through BEE yibona ba benefit through kubekwa kuma positions kuma department bemisuse ama powers abanawo you understand bayikhandela idleke zenkohliso namanga today yayizwa le nto le baqasha izingane zabo baqasha izintombi zabo baqasha abangani babo you understand thina esingasabi ukukhuluma out loud kanje sibukeka njenge threat kubona and mina ngisho out loud and ayekho umuntu ongicontrol ukuthi umlomo wami nengqondo yami icabangeni ikhulumeni even if kumele ngiluze ini ekumele ngiyiluze ngamele ngiyiluze Chris you understand labantu engikhuluma ngabo igeneration yama 60s nama 70s ama sell out lawo bra wami namhlanje kumele sitshelwe yiwona ukuthi kumele sicabangeni singacabangini kumele senzeni singenzini ekubeni kuyibona abalahla ipatriotism yale country namhlanje asikho patriotic kanje it's because of them makufu Christian ngo1993 benzani bafold izandla bra they did nothing ngoba babebheka ukukhangeziswa bakhangeziswa ke fine but leyo mceba abanayo ngeke izitranscend ama generations ama lineages zabo whatever lengilwela la iyojika benefit izingane zabo at a later stage you understand whatever lokungcola bakwenzayo kuyogxoba izingane zabo still lezi abantu bazama ukuyi-enricha bra you understand asinawo ama leaders kule country bra abantu esibabiza ngama leaders kule country kuthathwe izingane zosibanibani izihlobo zosibanibani ama sex partners osibanibani ane intellectual capacity below average kwathathwa labo bantu babekwa kuma city ukuthi babe ama leader asinawo ama leader kule country bra and into engizokutshela yona ile ne bengaxosha abantu abawu100 or abawu1,000,000 emsebenzini basibulale sibe u1,000,000 angeke basibulale sonke iqiniso ne awusoze ulubulale ungambulala umuntu olikhulumayo but lona lisoze life uma ungangikholwa ubuke eBurkina Faso wabulawa uThomas Sankara ngo1987 if not 1986 1987 angisakhumbuli kahle wabulawa ebulawa umngani wakhe uBlaise Compaoré ehlangane neFrench colonial rule you understand wammanipulate la amjita wambetray wambulala waphatha ngesandla senkani for more than 3 to 4 decades lapha but ekugcineni iqiniso laphinde laphila nangu Ibrahim Traoré yaphila yayizwa leyo so abantu abakhuluma iqiniso mngana nami nobabulala amanthanda nobenza nenthando kuyenza angene ize nilibulala iqiniso eliphila kuthina bafethu asiza ukuthenga ubuso masihlala kulama platform Chris mina bra anginandaba nokuthi ubani uyangithanda ubani akangithandi anginandaba nokuthi uzizwa kanjani ngami mina ngiyithanda enough and ngithemba imicabango yami enough ukuthi ngikhuluma iqiniso kwi society bro so sesivala ngoba ngizoshana isikhathi cela ukukhuluma ngeMarch and March iMarch and March mfethu izolo bekuyi 28 April besise Pretoria ibikhona yonke leadership ye March and March bekukhona nebutho likaZulu lilidobhuti uphakela umthakatho kanye nongizwe umfoka amacingwane insizwe engihlangene nazo lezo kwaba isibusiso ukuthi ngihlangane nabo obhuti sisazohlangana sibhunge ngendlela esizobhunga ngayo njengensizwa kuningi sisamele sikukhuluma ingxoxo yethu yayizolo leyo yabo but into engiyithandile ukuthi into enkulu engiyibone kwi March and March youth bafenza shine youth izandla round of applause bafethu abona youth ase South Africa guys ne
yabona
youth ne
we 90s
bro wami nge-youth ifana msizolishintsha lelizwe leli yabona labantu abayikhandela idleke ngenkohliso namanga laba abakwazi ukuabuse iphaba ecabanga ukuthi bayozivala imlomo abanye bethu ndoda sikhulele kuma environment revolution bro akuna salary yongenza mina ungivalisa umlomo akuna bribe mina yongenza ungivala umlomo Chris.
But do you think these foreigners do they care though?
Bro, even if they don't care they will soon care because akusi joke lento eyenzakalayo nangenkathi kulwisa apartheid regime abantu ngicela ukusizoyivala ngicela ukuhighlighta lento ngakayisho lento ngelinye ilanga kule society esiphila kuyona namhlanje sakhohliswa kwathiwa abantu abahlakaniphila baka maths and physics amanga lawo sakhohlisa kwathiwa abantu abahlakaniphila abantu baka maths and physics mfethu abantu baka maths and physics abahlakaniphile ngalendlela encane bahlakaniphe ngayo bra wami you understand babefuna ukubulala ipolitical consciousness yesizwe mabenza yabona umuntu ohlakaniphile ezweni umuntu oyiactivist isibali yayizwa leyo nto ubungeke uphile ngalendlela ophila ngayo namhlanje if it wasn't for ama heroes akwi past I sacrifice whatever enayo for ukuthi amele iqiniso you understand abantu bakwa physics lezi zinto esiyimelayo thina it's like siyahlanya siyaphapha because abazi nokuthi zisuka phi lezi zinto they were never taught about lezi zinto you understand izinto abayihlakaniphele bona ukulutha imali nokuhlala emalebhu benze whatever God knows besiphekela ukugula lapha emalebhu you understand bro umuntu ohlakaniphile zo 3 lefundo ibalekile maths and physics ezokuthi zisiphilise you understand simo sethu sempilo kumele sihlale si intact because of abantu baka maths and physics however way lab however way you understand kwa commerce labo bantu labo ama financial advisors ethu lama accountants ethu kwi country lawo you understand abantu abamele ba run i-reserve bank kwi country labo bro you understand leyo nto le they were told ukuthi bayilima then abantu bakwa physics you understand abantu bakwa general okuyithina ke labo mina ngiyi-history student bro and ngang-excela namanje ngisa-excel mina akekho umuntu ongangibeka naye head on ungasikhuluma isingisi sakho uqede bra mina ngakunyisa ngikhuluma ngesizulu kanje ngiyasazi futhi nesilungu and ngisikhuluma okudlula abaningi enginokubezwa besikhuluma I'm telling you ngisikhuluma okudlula abaningi enginokubezwa besikhuluma la kulama platform but it's just that mina mangifuna ukuyi-articulate kahle ne ngihlala kulwakithi ulimi bra you understand lento le mina inkinga yami mangikhuluma nengiba emotional and angikwazi ukuthi mase ngisemoyeni ngilo mina ngifuna ukukhuluma into izwakala yabona lento le so thina I understand lento Chris thina we were told ukuthi abantu bakwa commerce nabantu bakwa history bayiphukuphuku kanti no babefuna ukubulala i-economic consciousness yenu kwa commerce babefuna ukubulala i-political consciousness yethu kwa history so that bezokwazi ukuyidalela benze lezi lima lezi lapha ka physics ecala ukuthi ihlakaniphe than the rest of us zibone ngazathi ihlakaniphe the rest of us bra abantu abahlakaniphe fokol
and bro right because nam kuze ngithatha i-commerce ngabo day angekho smart ithi ngicoshela ka commerce
mina othi kutshele straight as okumnandi ngizoyisho straight lento even othisha mina babengifundisa e-school yes bakwazi ukungirecognize even almost 20 years bangicina yayizwa leyo mina ngafakwa othisha ngenkani kwa physics yes bra mina I knew before ngiyaka standard 8 ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuba umkhakha wami ngakhumbula ngathi mina i-role model yami uPius Langa yabo leyo nto le indlela engangiyibona ngiseyingane ngangiyibona mhlawumbe ngiyi-chief justice yabo leyo nto le or ngina some type of take kwi-parliament or whatsoever you understand that's why I choose history because ngangazi ukuthi egcineni kumele ngikeleze into efana no-law political science into ekanjalo yabo leyo nto le into esegazini kimi leyo from the jump you understand ngaphuma ngenkani mina kwa physics ngibokutshela futhi nabantu engangifunda nabo ngangiqophisana nabo kunyiwa phansi into ababengihlula kuyona ngitshela iqiniso ngangibhayiziswa i-physical science ne nakho nayo uthi ngoba yangibhayizisa ngifuna ukukutshela enye into ngifuna ukuthi nibuke ukuthi umuntu ohlakaniphile uyakwazi ukwenziwa ngazathi akahlakaniphile kwi-environment engamsuthi ne bawukujela esakhelo la ngangifunda khona mangisafunda ngale yaminyaka kwakunomema wayeyiNdiya wayesifundisa i-physical science, one of the best teachers wayesifundisa i-physical science. Kwakuthiwa uMiss ba Mem Behana ubani mogeni Behana ne yeah yabo le nto leyo mama mfethu bra lalela lalela ngifuna ukucacisa kwakuye yedwa kwaqala ngayo mfethu kwakuye yedwa lokushini esigele sethu wayeyiNdiya efundisa yezwe thina ngaleso sikhathi mind you mfethu yes English ngaleso sikhathi bra ngiyakwazi ukuyibhala ngiyakwazi ukuyifunda ngiyayiphasa kodwa ukuyiringa fuck all umuntu oyiringa ngalesa sikhathi ngangayi-understand ngangayikhuluma ngendlela engikwazi ukuyikhuluma ngayo today yabo leyo bra mina ngaqala ukuthola u0 ngangenza u-standard 8 esikoleni kwi-physical science yezwe ngakhala inyembezi wathi umama wakhona wazihlala nami wanonwane zama ukungifundisa bra kwakungena ngapha kuphuma ngapha dog ngashintsha yabo ngoba ngangumuntu mina ngumuntu ocompetitive yabo ngangibona ukuthi hayi lento ngeke ngizohlulwa yilabantu ngazathi lento ngiyayazi yabo ngathi kodwa inhliziyo yami ikuphi ikwa history mangifika kwa history bayokutshela abantu abazobe bebuka lento engangikhula nabo ngangicomputer ku wonke ama subjects abanawo ka physics esiwenzayo nathi ngala ngangibala ku top 3 top 5 ngale I understand that mina academic wise bra mina singangena nawe same year sambe soshaya i-degree efanayo singangayiqeda ngesikhathi esifanayo
Ayikunyisa ndo.
Hayi nami ngiyakutshela ngakunyisa nami dog. Nami ngakunyisa dog.
Okay.
Kodwa sishiye lo but ngifuna ukusho ukuthi i-disadvantage yethu ne into engikhipha ka physics i-language barrier at that time. You understand leyo nto hayi kuzingangiyisidom but ngokungakwazi ukubamba le yanto ngagcina ngiphuma lapha yabo leyo but ngalenda endaweni eright ngoba la ngalenda khona ngalenda endaweni ayikwazi ukungifundisa ukuthi yazi abantu abaningi buza umuntu wa physics ukuthi lezi zinto ezenzeka kwa Middle East America akazi nani ukuthi zisuka apha akusimpe eqala izolo le akusimpe eqale 3 5 10 years ago le lezi zinto lezi they go centuries ago bro you understand lezo I understand the ngisho but abantu abekho
no asivale ngendaba ukuthi do you think u government or okay bekunani konje kanda u government that ekhuluma khona ipresident
yani holiday freedom day
yeah but do you think lento le ama foreign president or government bayithathele ekhanda mongo
mina ngimo worried ngabantu abaforma istructure esibizwa ngeANC iexecutive ANC anko worried ngopresident mina yabo bona iexecutive ANC ayikho worried na ngefuture yeANC cause yonke lento enzakala le sign yenzeke lapha eBloemfontein bekuyisign ekhombisa ukuthi abantu ba fed up mfethu wendoda sikhathela ama empty promises you understand sikhathele mfethu amanga sikhathele ukwenziwa ilima size sibone ndoda majida ngeke yazi namhlanje ivalwa yimi bafethu ngishaya isikhathi inganza kethu sesiyazi ngi friend of the show majida ngi friend of the show
sobona futhi ngokuzayo
ngi friend of the show bafethu ngizovela nonke nini ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu ukuhambela iplatform yenu ngiyangikhulisa nami as a content creator yabo ngiyayibona input
siyabonga kakhulu
yeah sisazofika ziyasohlela dog
yeah uyazi ngizokuthinta nje ngizokubona khona amaduzane kuzomela kunezinto okusamele I think nabantu mabebhekela ama comment mabebhekela ivideo bengasho kuma comment bafuna ukukhuluma ngani mhlawumbe then we can take those topics and so sibuye sizokhuluma ngani
and ngicela ukuthi sengivala ngisho lento sengiphuma nganza kwethu ayikho political party noma politician eyosave ama South Africans from a situation abhekane nayo abantu the people shall govern bro you understand lento le abantu mfethu akusukumiswe imicabango kusukumiswa amazwi kuhlangane kuphunywe nesolution asikho isizwe esake sashintshelwa isimo sinabantu abathule begoqa izandla bethandaza bethemba ukuthi inkosi iyobalekelela akwenzeki kumele kube nabantu abasukumayo bemele iqiniso and awusoze ube yileader any kind of leader whether yama messes or yomndeni wakho awusoze ube yileader mawusayilide sabukuluza izinto eziyimaterial noma izinto eziyimali you understand mawi leader kumele wazi ukuthi nomphefumulo wakho makufanele uhambe ngamele uhambe yabona bra wami ku struggle kukabili it's either death or glory
you have to choose
no you don't choose kubonakala sekuphakathi you understand baningi abalifela lelizwe You understand? Imndenini yethu bakhona abantu abalifela lelizwe. It's just that azange beba famous njengalabantu ababa famous badayisizwe Chris. You understand? Igazi lehlobo zethu bra aluwanga in vain. Mabethi uMandela mayephume officeini lakhe ngo1999 kuzongena ubaba uThabo Mbeki wathi aluta continua. Igama lesiPortuguese leli lisho ukuthi the struggle continues. Yayizwa leyo nto. And ubaba Mandela wayazi ukuthi akalenzanga iqiniso. Mathi wase tracer back ukuthi wamgabhelana uMamweni. Mamweni wayengahambisana nawo wonke lo duty lo. Base beje egcineni basiphentela iicon engekho la besinyama icon abhedayo la. Iicon ya la eSouth Africa. Ngizokubalela wona yezwe. Eyokuqala before abaningi kuno auto ongakhulunywa ngayo kuthi uDimitri Tefanders. I'm sure nani mazi ukuthi ubani lo. Ayizwa le nto le uDimitri Tefanders ne he is the first guy kahle kahle wazalelwa kuphi eMozambique ne but ngoba wayenebala elali mixile like abantu iApartheid regime yayikwazi ukuma accepta yabo leyo nto le wayeyi messenger eParliament ngesikhathi uHendrik Verwoerd orubani lo abamgwaze eParliament uVerwoerd ne uHendrik Verwoerd ezoze bamgwaza eParliament wagwazwa uDimitri Tefanders nakhona emgwazela ama-atrocities nama-illnesses nama-injustices ayewaletha kwi-society. uHendrik Verwoerd uyo wayepheka i-apartheid uyi-engineer ye-apartheid. Understand leyo uDimitri Tefanders before yonke le crew yahamba ya ku-treason trial uDimitri Tefanders igama laloyo baba bra milona gama kumele ngabe ligcwele etradini kumele ngabe kuma cities kunendawo ebizwa ngokuthi Dimitri Tefanders. Lo muntu wenza into engakazi yenziwa umunye umuntu bra kumele ngabe samsalute. Number 2 ubani yabona uMamweni Madikizela mina ngiyohlezi ngimrate above. Angifuni nanokuthi mangibiza igama lakhe ngibize lesibongo esisekugcineni ngoba sam disgrace bra. La mama akekho umama kubantu ababemeli struggle wathoshara nowalinyazwa owenziwa zonke izinto emela abantu njengaloya mama. Awukwazi ukuthi wena Chris njengamanje kanje umuntu wakhe angazi ngathothi umuntu wami uthi Joba shooter la studio wathothi bampenda somewhere else. You understand? Then wena bese uboshwa for 27 years uzocasha ngokuthi mhlawumbe umfazi wamgabhela ukuthi kuthiwa wenzani ubani ongahlala for 27 years engenzi lutho. Let's face it ubani uma wakhe ngahlala for 27 years engenzi lutho. Asingafuni ukuzenza right ngabantu like mfethu loya mama uMamweni kumele ngabe kunama airports or kumele ngabe kunezinto ezinkulu kulelizwe ebizwa ukuthi iWinnie Madikizela. Mina ngithanda ukuthi ngithi Winnie Madikizela. Loya mama wakumela mfethu kwakumelwe abantu bakulelizwe kwahlula amadoda. Yayizwa leyo nto le owesithathu uChrisani. Ayizwa leyo nto le yabona ukubana uChrisani akabulawanga ngo1993
engabe somewhere
iSouth Africa ngaba nje bra wami. Yayizwa leyo nto reason why babulala uChrisani babefuna ukwenza lo doda basiphilisa wona today noma ngathiwa abambulala uChrisani noma ngathiwa ababulala nami njengoba ngivocal kanje ngiyabalibulala iqiniso nabantu abakhuluma iqiniso. Manje isitshala kulomhlabathi ngaphansi nobe nitshala imbewu eyohluma izwe lonke eyonixaka futhi ngelinye ilanga. Ngiyabonga ngowasimnambithu uNkomondo uvundisa salute.
we out James we out yeah.